Authorities in China's Sichuan province say 20 people have died after a magnitude 7.0 earthquake hit Jiuzhaigou County. At least 430 people were injured. 15 are said to be in critical condition. The earthquake struck on Tuesday night, forcing the evacuation of over 60,000 tourists and local residents. 4 patients with severe fractures have been sent to a hospital in Mianyang, while another 13 people were sent to major hospitals in the capital city of Chengdu. Meanwhile, a team of 9 national medical experts has gone to Sichuan to assist in rescue efforts.